I wore a mask until my skin forgot what breathing felt like. Played the part they wrote for me, swallowed every bitter line. But cracks were forming underneath the weight of being perfect. And when I finally let it fall, I saw the light come pouring through. I'm not sorry for the mess, I'm not hiding what's left. This is who I am when the armor falls away. I shattered into a million pieces and I won't go back, 'cause now I'm seeing all the beauty in the broken glass. The scars are part of me, chaos and clarity, my voice without the chains. This is what freedom sounds like. There's power in the tremble, in the truth I tried to bury. Every flaw's a battle won, every wound tells where I've been. I used to think that strength meant standing still and never bending, but wild things survive the storm by learning how to break. I'm not sorry for the mess, I'm not hiding what's left. This is who I am when the armor falls away. I shattered into a million pieces and I won't go back, 'cause now I'm seeing all the beauty in the broken glass. The scars are part of me, chaos and clarity, my voice without the chains. This is what freedom sounds like. Let them see the jagged edges, let them hear the untamed sound. I'm done apologizing for taking up this ground. Every crack lets in the daylight, every break remains the whole. I was never meant for boxes, I was meant to lose control. I shattered into a million pieces and I won't go back, 'cause now I'm seeing all the beauty in the broken glass. The scars are part of me, chaos and clarity, my voice without the chains. This is what freedom sounds like. This is what it sounds like when the walls come down. This is what it sounds like. Flying